My prediction for 2024 is that organizations are going to have to focus, double down on proactive data governance. Delivering trusted data for analytics, but also for enterprise AI, will make it an absolute requirement.
I see kind of the organization of MLOps and the discipline of MLOps starting to expand to take generative AI under its wing. New processes and things like that kind of emerging and best practices emerging. That would be my prediction.
In 2024, I expect that we will be needing more real-time data to get the up-to-date latest data for these experiences, and also a greater emphasis on the hybrid cloud, being able to have that one place to get all of your data so that you can really populate the generative AI algorithms with the latest and the most important and pertinent data.
Say 2024. One thing that we're gonna see next year are probably models that are much better than today. The other part, what we're gonna see is that the models that are being open source will be at a fractional size of these very large models, having the same performance. So what's gonna happen is now you'll be able to run those models at a much lower baseline, cost baseline, much more efficiently. So we're gonna see a much bigger adoption, I hope. And then the third point is we're gonna have a much more mature solutions that enables everybody to implement those machine learning models.
I see a 4 times or greater increase in the amount of data under management being wrangled up and being used predominantly by this pressure point we're seeing in generative AI. So we're going to see towards the end of the year real productive generative AI being delivered by major corporations. And when I talk about this, I'm not talking about some of the things that we're seeing today that are general models on general data, but stuff that's built on real intimate data, the data we keep safe in our on-premises environment or keep safe and well locked up in the cloud. We're going to free that up into these models to give that more going from conversational to a concierge experience where we can get really intimate with our customers in exchange for that personal trust. And we're going to start seeing some of those become productive by the end of the year.